Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, to find about the singular points, we need to transform into this one. So to transform into this one, we need to divide both sides by s squared and s plus 1 to the power of 2. So they should be like this. So bs, that is about this one. Qs, that is about this one. So we know that when you want to find about the singular points, we need to find the domain of bs and qs. About this one, we cannot put s squared and s plus 1 equals to number 0. So that means s cannot equals to number 0 and s plus 1 cannot equals to number 0. So s cannot equals to negative number 1. Similar for the second one. After we find this way, we can find about s1, s equal to number 1 and s equal to number 0 are singular points. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Oh sorry, negative number 1.